make sure that was nice and flat, but actually a lot of these cars came from the factory with the fender sticking out a little bit or the door in a little bit to cut down on wind noise and to allow that door to go behind the fender when it opens. But we are going to make sure that we get this gap just right. You guys take into consideration in doing that. Either the gap's too big here, you may think you can just push the fender back at the top. Because this is one piece of metal, what happens here is going to affect what happens elsewhere, like at the bottom where we said the gap was too tight. So the best way to remedy this is to make sure all the bolts are loose and then rotate the entire fender. One good way to...
Alright, so this is how we took the paint off for the headers, for the shipment paint. Use this gum degreaser. Alright, and steel wool. Grade 0. Honestly, this is all I had, so I just used what I had. Made it a lot easier. I tried sanding it down and nothing. So, degreaser and steel wool came out pretty good. Yeah, you can't get all the paint on the cracks, but I'm still trying to get a little bit more off as much as I can. But I'm gonna end up painting it with some of this Wainproof or VHT flat black. Should look nice. And you can get a O2 plug from Summit. The stock ones. Look at that. Summit. Wanna be hooker. Sorry, we're gonna get some better ones. That big ass hole in there. Damn. That's what I like about these. Already got done with the headers. Went ahead and put an Edelbrock intake on it. The shorties from Summit. A little dirty.